Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to access the inbuilt system file manager present in every Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So to access this inbuilt system file manager, what you need to do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Files by Mark. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can see the inbuilt system file manager which is present in every Android smartphones or tablets. So you can click on this three horizontal lines on the laptop corner and you can access all the respective options that you want to access, and you can click on this search icon to search for any images or files or documents or folders, and you can click on this three dot icons to create a new folder. So this is how you can access the inbuilt system file manager present in every Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.